Hey, how's it going? What if I told you there's one code on your Firestick which you can use to get amazing and really spicy movies on the Firestick totally free of charge? And let me show you how to get it and set it up on your Firestick device. The first step, as always, is getting the app called Downloader to your Firestick. You can get Downloader free of charge from your official Amazon App Store. And by the way, if you already have Downloader on your device and it is properly set up, then you could skip the step. But if you don't have Downloader yet, then just follow me. So we go to the home screen on your device, select that button with a magnifying glass icon, open the search bar and start typing downloader in the search. And as you can see, downloader has already popped out for us at the bottom. You'll click on it and here's the app which you need to get to your device. But now, after you got downloader, it is not over yet because you'll still need to set it up. So to stop downloader on the Firestick, we gotta go to settings, obviously. So we select that button with a gear icon, then you scroll down until you find My Fire TV. Open it, and now in here, we'll need to turn on developer options for the Firestick. But on some Firesticks, and especially on the new Fire TV Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case and you cannot find the developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's actually really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you'll have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on ADB debugging, then go to install unknown apps, and from here, all you have to do is locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we're gonna do right now. So now finally we go back to the list of apps on your Firestick. Here it is, let's open it. And now there is the downloader, which is set up and ready to use on your device. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing, and it's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast, they got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a cup of coffee per month, which is great pricing for us, the users. In the VPN app, you just connect to any server. Let's say we'll connect to Canada right now, and from the moment you connect, all your traffic is going to be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below the video or in the description of this video, you'll get 3 months of NordVPN totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser, and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now, finally, let's use Downloader safely. So we go back to the list of apps on your Firestick device, open it up, and then start heading to Downloader. So open the downloader application as well. And there in the middle, you'll see this big search bar. We'll open it. And now we can use this search bar to enter a code, which eventually will allow us to download the amazing new spicy apps on the Firestick. So your code is gonna be 307888. Once again, 307888. That's the code we are using. And then just click on go, and while it's loading, make sure to subscribe my channel so you would get even more content about Firesticks. And now the download of the app has started. Usually doesn't take long, but of course it all depends on your internet connection speed. And after that, after the app got downloaded, we still need to also install the app to your device. So click on the installation button and just wait for a couple of seconds. And after it's finished, do not click on open yet, instead press on done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on your device. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you get rid of the unnecessary files from your Firestick and save yourself some free space on your device. And that's really important, because by default, your Firestick doesn't really have too much free space available anyway. And now when you go to the list of apps on the Fire TV Stick device, let's go and take a look together. We open it up, and here at the bottom, as always, you find the new app, which you got to the Firestick. So now, first of all, I would recommend you to click on the options button on your remote. That's the button with 3 horizontal lines, right next to the home button. You click on it and a menu will appear on the screen. Select Move to Front, and now the app will always be at the very top of your application list. This way it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just do not forget to keep the VPN connected to stay safe and anonymous online. Once again, you can get 3 months of NordVPN for free if you use the link below the video or in a pinned comment of this video. So enjoy and see you next time. Bye bye.